Good morning, student. Class 8, subject GK. Chapter name फेमस टेम्पल इन इंडिया. इंडिया में जो फेमस टेम्पल है उसके बारे में हम लोग पढ़ना है. पहला मीनाक्षी टेम्पल, सोमनाथ टेम्पल, वैष्णव देवी टेम्पल, सिद्धिविनायक टेम्पल. ये सारा टेम्पल कहाँ है? इंडिया में. मीनाक्षी टेम्पल located in Madurai, the second largest city of Tamil Nadu. This architectural wonder is dedicated to goddess Parvati and Lord Shiva. A deep in golden lotus stand. Is a golden lotus stand situated in temple is considered auspicious and usually taken before visiting the main shrine of the god and goddess. The temple has a hall which has 985 pillars. इसमें जो 985 pillars है, each pillar is a curved different and identically. ये मीनाक्षी मंदिर टोटल ये जो है सिचुएटेड कहाँ है? तो मदुरई तमिलनाडु. सेकेंड तमिलनाडु का सेकेंड कैपिटल जो होता है, सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट सिटी जो है कहाँ है? मदुरई. सोमनाथ, इट इज द वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट pilgrimage center in India and finds mentioned in many ancient books. The meaning of the temple name is the moon god built in the shore of the Arabian Sea. It is one of the most reverent among the 12 existing Jyotirlings of India. Vaishnav Devi Temple. This temple is situated at an altitude of 5,200 feet in mountain called Trikula. After a trek of 12 kilometers from Katra, one reaches the holy cave, which is the shadow of this very famous Hindu goddess. It is believed that it is the goddess who decides her visitors. The shrine is open all the year around. ये पूरा साल ओपन रहता है. सिद्धिविनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड एट द प्रभा देवी, मुंबई. दिस टेम्पल was built the 18th century. Lord Ganesha is the supreme deity of the temple. 8 employees of Lord Ganpati on the work doors of the temple is by the number devoted all the years.